Let's look at the briefly at human resource management. So for the systems that come with human resource management, all we need to do is click on human resource. Then if you check here on the menu on your left, you've got different kind of things that you can do with your human resource module basically. So you can manage your employees, manage your contracts. So every employee that you enter onto the system needs to have a contract. So if we're saying we've got, let's create someone here, someone new. Okay, I'm creating a new employee. I'll call him Andrew someone. Okay, that's his name. You can put in his cell phone number 089498099. Okay, that is it. And then his manager, if you do have manager on there, his job title, what he does in the company. So we can say salesman. Department is in sales. Okay. Now we move on to the personal information. His bank account and everything on there. But what's very important on the personal information is the employee age for payee status, because payee is calculated according to someone's age. So if you do payee, you need to put this field on. So I'll say he's under 65, he's young enough. Number of children and all that, those are optional. So to help with your records basically. Emergency contact, you can have all that as well. Okay, HR settings, related user. If it's got a login onto the system, you can add in a related user. And then with the vehicle management, if it does have a vehicle that is driving, you can enter the license plate of that vehicle there. Okay, manual attendance or automatic attendance, that's up to you. Family information, you can add family members on there and the relationship. That's also purely for your record tracking. So if you need to keep track of all your records, keep track of all your employees, you can have everything on there. Depending on how big the organization is, you might need this information so that you've got a basic understanding of who you are working with. And then we save. If you check there, at any time I can click on an employee and then I can view the leaves that is got left if I've got leaves set up, the loans, the contracts, and the pay slips that he has been given. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create a contract for Andrew Salmon. Okay, let's create. Go to contracts and then create. So the contract reference will be Andrew Salmon. Employee, that was Andrew. Department sales, company bids and buys, salary structure. Let's use it is that a employee monthly, and then the wage we say okay is on 7,500. Time duration, that's entirely up to you. Schedule pay, you can say monthly, then that's fine. Salary journal, that will come out of our bank FT, so it is to be recorded there. Okay, so now I've got a contract for Andrew Salmon. Let's look at creating a pay slip for him now. Okay, then we go to payroll. See under payroll. So there's attendance, leaves, so that we can configure the leaves, employee shifts if you're running shifts. But now we're looking at employee pay slips. We'll look at shifts at another time. We need to create. So the pay slip we're going to create is for February 2021. So first, Andrew someone. And then the month is February from the 1st. to February 28. Okay. Let's take note of salary computation. So what you need to do is compute this payslip. So what we'll do is compute sheet so that the system gives us everything it needs. Okay. Now the payslip is computed. So what we need to do is confirm or cancel the payslip. So these are all the things that are going to appear on the payslip. So there's UIF, there's the gross salary, and the car insurance if it's got a car allowance, gross paying 103, and then the net salary 7321. Now I'm going to confirm. And then save. Okay, after saving, I can print that payslip. Okay, open there, open in Firefox. Okay, there we go. Now I've got enter someone's payslip. I can sign, stamp, and give it to them. There we go. You're done with the payslip for this particular employee. If you need to create employee pages, let's say you've got 100 employees that are working for you or 1,000, so you cannot create each and every one payslip like individually. So you need to create batches. So we'll go to payslip batches, and then we're gonna create. So now let's say it's a February batch. Okay, and then the date. So February 1st to February 28th, bits and bytes. Okay. These are all the employees basically that you want on there, but let's see. Oh, I need to select employees. Okay, these are all our employees. But now some of them might actually set. Okay, see, some of them are not really set up, so we need to delete. So I think I only have Andrew someone with all the details on there. So we delete everyone. Okay, and just leave Andrew someone because we only have Andrew someone with all their details set up. Okay, then we can generate payslips. Oh, sorry, we've generated payslips already, so we just need to save. Then all our payslips will come on there. So now I've got two payslips for Andrew. Then if we look at other things like we've got pages here, like that's for challenges to keep your employees motivated. We've got the goals history. Can also set agent as this is for the shifts basically to set up your shift workers. If you've got workers running shifts, that will be easy for you.